Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to bypass URL shorteners and go straight to the destination website. But before we start, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon in order to get notified of our future videos. Also, like and share this video. Thank you. Now, let's begin. Open your web browser. Let me also open Notepad, which contains some links that have been shortened using URL shorteners. Let's copy and paste these links and see what happens. As you can see, the first link leads to a URL shortener website. Let's copy and paste the second one. The same for the second one, another URL shortened link. Now, let's try the last one. This link has also been shortened using a URL shortener, which makes you go through skipping ads before getting to the destination website. Now, let me teach you what to do in order to bypass all these URL shorteners. First, go to google.com. In the search box, type Universal Bypass and add the name of your browser. Since I'm using Google Chrome, I will type Universal Bypass Chrome extension. Click on the second link, which is from Google Chrome. Now, click on Add to Chrome. The Universal Bypass extension have been successfully added to my browser. Now, let's copy and paste the links again. There's this message from Universal Bypass saying, "You're almost at your destination. Just click on the link in blue in order to proceed. Click on the new link again. As you can see, I have been sent directly to the destination website, without having to go through any URL shortener. Let's try the second link. Just click on the link provided by Universal Bypass. Click on the new link provided. You can see, I don't have to go through any URL shortener. Let's try it for the final link. With some URL shorteners, you will have to wait a little before Universal Bypass can detect your destination link. After waiting for some few seconds, Universal Bypass have been able to detect my destination link. So, I will just have to click on the link provided by Universal Bypass. After clicking on it, you can see, I have been redirected to my destination website, without completing the capture of the URL shortener, and waiting for any timer to run out. Thanks for watching. Please, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click on the bell icon, in order to get notified of our future videos. Also, like and share this video. Thank you.